Let's go.
Luke, hi.
Doc, how
So
you doing?
nice to meet you and
Nice to
have
meet
you
you too,
here
man.
at R3 Nashville.
My name is Luke Voigt. I've been a professional baseball player for 13 years. I went to Missouri State University from St. Louis, Missouri. I got drafted by the Royals, and then I got drafted by the Cardinals out of college and debuted with the Cardinals in 2017. I got traded to the Yankees, then traded to the Padres, traded to the Nationals, kind of bounced around. And then in 2024, I decided to continue my career in Mexico. And last year, I got an opportunity to play in Japan, and I'll be going back there for another year. In my training, I feel great. My body feels good. It's just, the continuous pounding, in baseball on your joints, when playing on a lot of turf fields as well. I just don't feel as strong sometimes in my left leg as I do in my right leg. I still feel explosive, but there's just a level below, if that makes sense. And I feel like I've done a lot of treatments to maintain it, but it's gotten to a point to where what can I take to the next step to where I'm running, jumping, sprinting, and both legs feel the exact same the next day when I wake up after doing that kind of exercises. Because again, we play every day. We don't get days off, and when we do, we try to maximize recovery and stuff. But still, you're in the middle of June and a hamstring bothering you, your back's tight, whatever. It's like, what can I do to get past this or get rid of this pain? And I think a lingering knee pain like that can cause your hips to get out of line, to cause other types of injuries. So I think if I can get both legs on track, I think it'll help me out a lot.
So Luke, so nice to have you here at R3 Nashville. We are going to do some treatments on you today with stem cell therapy to kind of help optimize your body. And you've been playing in the baseball leagues for a while, and I'm sure there's a little bit of wear and tear, even though you're a very young man. So we're hoping to help reverse some of that for you. And the left knee, we're going to take a look at that and see what we can do to improve that area as well. So with the stem cell therapy, you're getting an IV infusion. What is your goals after having the stem cell? And what are you hoping to gain?
Just more torque in that knee again, because with hitting, being a right-handed hitter, I spin on my left knee a lot, right? I'm not a speed guy, never been a speed guy. So I think if I'm be able to, generate more power, and which extends to, hitting the ball a little bit farther, maybe that'll extend me to hit more home runs. And, I think the big thing with me is, since this knee injury, it never has felt the same as the right knee. And I think with this, even if it helps at 1% or if it helps at 20%, that's all I want. I want it to feel a little bit better, if that makes sense.
So Luke, we have your biologic products here. These are your stem cells, and in each one of these, there's 30 million umbilical cord stem cells. So that's the product, the donor number, expiration dates, all of the identifying information, and that's on all 4 of those.
Wow.
So I'm going to let you start warming these up. They came out of the cryo freezer. So there's 4, that's 120 million. So you can just close your hand and start warming those up and becoming friends with your new cells.
I like it.
And then these are your exosomes that we talked about. You're getting 4 cc's of exosomes, and in each one of these, there's at least 25 billion exosomes. So that's 100 billion.
It's crazy.
It's going to be amazing.
I've had 3 shoulder surgeries. I've had the bilateral sports hernia surgery, meniscus surgery on my left knee, and thumb surgery. I don't know, random stuff. You try to take care of yourself in the best way possible to don't cut your career short with those injuries, and try to find a way for different types of treatments to get you through to keep playing.
What do you know about stem cell therapy from becoming so popular over the last few years?
I had never thought I would do it, and I've talked to so many guys that I've played with, trained with, that have gotten it, and just the results they've seen 2-3 weeks after it, even a couple days, it's just been insane. And haven't heard one bad thing about it, and guys getting it, in their elbows, shoulders, hips, knees, whatever they're doing. And I'm excited to see how this can, make my career even longer.
So with stem cell therapy, what could that potentially mean to you, if we keep treating you after your career to live a life that isn't full of the pain from these chronic injuries?
I know so many guys that, can't even play catch with their son, or, struggle to even, they start gaining weight because they're not going to the gym as often as they used to. And there's times that every guy gets out of bed in the morning, they're like, God, man, why does it everything hurts. So to keep doing it would be like amazing. And obviously I haven't experienced it yet, but it'd be a great opportunity because it's sad to see a lot of guys, go to other things that aren't maybe necessarily good for you to feel better every day.